how good does that look? The Greek flavors on these are absolutely incredible. As I always say, you can't go on a holiday, but your taste buds can. Hi, I'm Schuey, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to cook one of my favorites, lamb loin chops. These are packed full of flavor and bound to be a hit at your next barbecue. So just sit back, grab a drink or two, and let's get into it. I love eating lamb, and the loin chop would have to be one of my favorite cuts to eat. I dropped into Gippsland Premium Meats, and boy did they hook me up. Look at these little beauties. Now'd be a good time to go and like this video. I'm gonna give these lamb chops a bit of a Greek influence today. So to start, we can add into a bowl some olive oil, some crushed garlic, some lemon zest, some lemon juice, some fresh oregano, some fresh thyme, some smoked paprika, some cumin, kosher salt, and some black pepper. So we just need to give that a good mix up, and then we're going to put in our chops and just tossing them around in the mixture and make sure they all get covered. So just cover the bowl with some cling wrap, and we're going to pop it in the fridge for a couple of hours. Anywhere from 2 to 4 hours is fine for these. Today I'm going to be using a 57 centimeter Weber. I use them every day and I can't even say it. Today, I'm going to be using a 57 centimeter Weber kettle, and I'm going to be pairing it up with a Kettle Kone. Why? Because I want to be cooking at temps of 240 degrees Celsius today. And how I'll do that is by 3/4 filling a chimney starter with unlit briquettes. I'll light them up, and once they're fully ashed over, I will grab my Kettle Kone, put it on the charcoal grate, and I'm going to dump that lit fuel into it. Next up, we just want to put the grill in place, and then we're going to put the lid back on, and making sure all the vents are wide open, and we're going to give that 10 minutes to warm up. If you don't have a Kettle Kone, you can use 2 baskets pushed together, but you will need a full chimney of fuel, and just watch that radiant heat because it can burn some of the food. The barbecue's nice and hot, so it's time to get our lamb loin chops on. So just place the lamb loin chops on the outermost part of the grill, because this is where that intense heat is being directed by the Kettle Kone. And put the lid back on, making sure all the vents are wide open. Did you know Schueys Barbecue has a Facebook page filled with awesome people just like you? If you didn't know, the Weber lid vent creates a hot spot as that cold oxygen is sucked in through the bowl vents, through the fuel, over our food and out that top lid vent. So I recommend turning the lid during the cook. To ensure an even cook, I recommend turning the lid 1/3 of the way every 15 minutes. Today I'm cooking at a high indirect heat of 240 degrees Celsius. Lamb chops, I feel, can be pushed a little further than roast, just to give us that nice crusty outer that we all love on them. And by using an indirect heat source, we don't get fat flare-ups. These chops will only take 45 minutes to cook today, or for those of you who like to use my beer timer, you're looking at a 2-beer cook. You may be new to the channel, and if you are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and while you're there, hit that bell button. The bell button is going to allow you to be notified every time I upload new videos. All right, the lamb loin chops are ready, and it's time to get them off the barbecue. Trust me when I say these chops smell as good as they look. There was never any doubt. The flavour on these is off the chart. They are that good, they should be illegal. As always, cheers for watching.